Imagine waking up one morning and discovering your ordinary job quietly turned you into a millionaire.
Not because you won the lottery, but because of a decision you made years ago.
Thousands of engineers spent years building rockets while quietly building wealth. What looked like ordinary stock options slowly became life-changing assets.
Now the entire financial world is watching one historic moment.
Some people are already inside the wealth event. Everyone else is wondering if there's still room.
Can someone with an ordinary berry paycheck still benefit? History shows that the biggest fortunes usually begin long before the headlines. Years of patience often create wealth that looks instant from the outside. Today, we'll uncover how these wealth events happen and whether you can still be part of one.
Every billion-dollar success story begins years before the world notices it. While everyone else chased quick money, these employees were quietly building the future.
Instead of a bigger paycheck, many accepted company shares.
For years, those shares looked almost worthless, until they didn't.
As the company grew, those forgotten shares quietly multiplied in value.
One decision created a paycheck. The other created long-term ownership.
Some employees paid off debt, bought homes, and changed their family's future. Real wealth appears overnight. It grows through patience. By the time headlines arrive, many of the biggest gains have already happened. The real question isn't whether fortunes were made, it's whether the next opportunity still exists. When a private company prepares to go public, the entire financial world starts paying attention.
News spreads fast, but the biggest opportunities usually began years earlier.
For employees, years of hard work can suddenly become real financial rewards.
But smart investors focus on one question. What is the business actually worth?
Excitement creates headlines. Careful research creates better decisions. Like these. Excitement creates headlines. Careful research creates better decisions. Careful research creates better decisions.
A great company isn't always a great investment at every price. Success in business doesn't automatically guarantee success for every investor.
Patience often beats emotion when money is on the line.
Building wealth is usually a series of smart decisions, not one lucky moment.
Now let's explore how ordinary investors can approach opportunities like this without letting emotions take over.
Every investor faces the same question. Buy now or wait patiently?
IPO day often creates excitement unlike anything else in the market.
When emotions take over, smart decisions often disappear.
The first trading day can be exciting, but also extremely unpredictable.
Markets rarely move in a straight line, especially after major public offerings.
Successful investors spend more time researching than reacting.
Smart investors usually keep high-risk opportunities as only a small part of their portfolio.
Patience may not feel exciting, but it has rewarded investors for generations.
Patience may not feel exciting, but it has rewarded investors for generations.
Sometimes waiting for the excitement to fade reveals better opportunities.
The biggest advantage isn't being first. It's making the right decision when everyone else is emotional.
The smartest investors don't chase every opportunity. They choose the right ones.
Consistency often beats perfect timing.
Small, disciplined investments can become surprisingly powerful over time.
Protecting your money is just as important as growing it.
Headlines change every day. Long-term strategies rarely do.
Real investing rewards discipline far more than excitement.
Whenever a huge financial event happens, scams usually appear right behind it.
Always verify where you're investing before risking your hard-earned money.
The greatest investment advantage isn't secret information. It's patience, preparation, and smart decisions.
The biggest returns often belong to people who think in years, not days.
Small investments can grow into extraordinary results when given enough time.
Markets move every day. Strong investors don't let every movement control their emotions. Having a clear plan is more valuable than predicting tomorrow's price.
Consistency often succeeds where perfect timing fails.
Knowledge compounds just like money. The more you build, the more valuable it becomes.
Ignore the noise. Focus on facts.
Great businesses aim higher than short-term market excitement. The future belongs to investors who stay patient, while everyone else is chasing the next headline.
The biggest financial victories usually happen quietly, long before anyone notices.
Discipline keeps working even when motivation disappears.
Most people chase quick money. Wealthy people build lasting systems.
The market rewards patience far more often than perfect timing. Money grows best when you give it enough time.
Your lifestyle should follow your income, not race ahead of it. Financial freedom begins the moment you stop trying to impress strangers.
Consistency beats intensity almost every single time.
The best time to build wealth was years ago. The second best time is today.
The richest people don't buy freedom overnight. They build it one smart decision at a time. Every dollar you save today becomes an employee working for your future. Small daily habits become life-changing wealth when you give them enough time. Looking rich is temporary. Becoming wealthy is permanent.
Real wealth is often invisible, until one day, everyone suddenly sees the results. Patience feels slow today, but it creates extraordinary results tomorrow.
Financial freedom isn't about buying everything. It's about needing less.
The choices nobody applauds today create the success everyone admires tomorrow.
One smart financial decision today can completely change the next 20 years. Your future starts with the decision you make today. Start now. Start now.